A 1, a 2, a 3, go. Now you heard what I did there, right? I was playing a simple seben or Makossa groove, and you can use this groove to play African praise songs. And this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to use. I'm going to show you the technique, the approach, and how you should use it to play. So ensure you watch this video till the very end of it. All right. So the first thing I want to talk about is to understand the chord progression of the song, right? So whenever you're playing on stage as a lead guitarist or a rhythm guitarist, one thing that will help you to understand what notes to play or what to play and when to play is to hear the chord progression. What chord is coming first, what is coming next, right? So when you're able to do that, then you now pick out notes from each of those chords and decide which of them to play. So for example, in this particular group that I was playing, the progression is a 1, a 5, a 4, and a 5. So I'm playing the key of C, for example, and then I'm playing do, so, fa, so. So I'm playing 1, 5, 4, 5. So now what we're going to do is to come to this second position of your major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, here. So we're going to use this a lot, not just for this video but for other videos, and I'll be creating a lot of videos on how to play African praise songs, Makossa and all of that. So if you want to see more of that, I want you to comment. I want to see more in the comment section. All right, I'm sure by now all of you know the pentatonic scale, right? So I'm playing it here on this particular shape. By the way, the pentatonic scale exists all across the fretboard, and I've created a video that teaches all your pentatonic scale on the board, so ensure you check that video out. All right, so what I was simply doing is coming to this box and making use of the pentatonic and then playing the notes to match the chords that are playing in the background, right? So remember, the pentatonic is do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, right? But I'm sticking to only these 4 strings here, string 1, 2, 3, 4 for this particular groove. So you heard me playing something like this. Yeah, I don't know if it's exact, but you can find out if it's exact. But I was actually using the pentatonic scale. I'm trying to explain how you can use the pentatonic scale to play your Makossa. Alright, so what I'm simply doing is this. So here, I'm using my index finger to play string 1 and 2. So the groove sounds like this. La, mi, la. I'm going to use softer notations here. So, la, mi, la, so, 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 mi, re, do, la, do. Mi, re, 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 mi, re, do. La, mi, la, so, 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 mi, re, do, la, do. Mi, re, 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 mi, re, do. If I play it fast, it will sound like this. So you can add more dynamics by sliding. Right? So that's it. And then I was doing something like this. After playing that groove, I was doing... I'm sure a lot of you must have heard this a lot of times. So that thing is very easy to play. It's not hard. So what I'm simply doing is I'm picking... So I'm doing pull off. So I'm picking... So pick, lift, pick, pick. So pick, lift, pick, 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 lift. Can you hear that? Now I'm not muting it. I'm not muting the strings to give it that dynamic sound. So what I did was da 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 da, re mi sol la do la, re 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 mi re do la, mi re do. So notice something now. There's a common pattern that all these schools or Makossa like guitar players use. What they have is there's a repeating phrase, right? There's a phrase that repeats itself. So they can play something different. So let's call one part A and one part B, right? So they can play part A is going to be different, but part B is steady. So something like this. So you note that this one is repeating itself. Re do la do, re mi sol la do la, re mi re do la do, do la la sa da 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 da. Pentatonic. So what makes this nice is when you're playing with the groove, right? So ensure you practice with a drum loop. So just try to get a practice track and use. So see. Very easy, yeah. So this is a simple way you can use your pentatonic scale to play Makossa or seben. I'm going to be creating more videos like this, but I'm going to go in depth. Ensure you keep following the channel. If you are not subscribed to this point, better subscribe and hit the notifications so you stay posted and get updates so that you don't miss out on videos like this. And if you don't know how to play the pentatonic scale and the major scale, I have created a course with 22 videos that shows you how to play the pentatonic and major scales and how to solo with them. So ensure you get that course. I'm going to attach the link below so that you get it. And if you want to join our Telegram community, it's free. Just use the link below to join the community and be a part of all our lessons and the tips we are sharing. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.